morning, everyone. It is a gloomy LA morning and I am all packed up and ready to go to my parents' house. Alicia and I are taking the girls and all of the presents that are under the tree, which is a lot. We're gonna pack everything up in my car and go home for Christmas. We have been planning on doing this for a while. I'm very excited. We've spent the last couple weeks just kind of avoiding people and getting tested and making sure that we're good to go home and see my parents. My parents have been doing the same thing. So I'm really excited to be doing that. We have a lot of work to do. I have a bunch of food that I'm bringing. I have a bunch of presents that I'm bringing. It's not going to be like normal Christmas celebrations, but I feel very lucky to be able to celebrate with my family. Just us, no extended family or anything, but we are very happy and excited to be able to see each other. I do feel deeply for the people who aren't able to see their family right now. You know, all my love and wishes are going out to them, but super excited to go home for a bit. That being said, with 2020 being the year that it was and priorities just rearranging, I kind of had a realization and I decided I think I'm not going to vlog Christmas this year, which I know is such a bummer for a lot of you guys. It's actually a huge bummer for me because I love looking back on those videos, but it does take away from the moment and it does make Christmas feel a little more like work and less like a holiday. So I'm actually going to be ending Vlogmas on day 24 instead of 25. To be honest, I just really want to be present and I just want to be there with my parents and my family and on my birthday with the dogs. I don't want to feel like I have to get ready or put on a show or anything like that. Not that I ever feel like I have to, but especially on Christmas, it does feel a little bit fake sometimes. I really hope that you guys understand. I know you guys are the best, so I know you do. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a heads up. So this is actually gonna be the last Vlogmas, but I will be back in January. Very excited for that. So I'm not going anywhere, just taking a holiday like the rest of you guys. But I have thoroughly enjoyed Vlogmas this year. I don't know if it was because this year sucked so bad or if it was because I was just stuck at home with you guys, but genuinely think you guys kept me sane this year, especially during Christmas. I really loved the routine that I've had with you guys and would love to start it up again next year as well. So yeah, things are gonna be a little bit different, but thank you so much to all of you who stuck through and watched all 24 vlogs with me. You guys are the absolute best and you mean the world to me. I just wanted to have like a heart-to-heart moment, but now that that's done, I have so much packing to do. I gotta go. So I just received the cutest package. I'm so excited. This is from my management team and it's probably one of the prettiest cakes I've ever seen. Look at it. There's macaroons and flowers. It says happy birthday and it came with balloons. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. Look how pretty it is. I just feel like it has to be said, I have the best management team. They are tops. Like, it doesn't get any better. If you think your team's better, you're wrong. Mine is. This is, thanks guys. I know you're watching. Thank you. Wow, 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 wow. So pretty. Got it? Oof, that is tight. I just need to move my left leg. It will fall asleep. Damn, we did that. Guys, I don't know if you can see exactly how stuffed it is, but it is. The entire middle seat, the entire trunk, the dogs are up here in their carriers. I'm worried about the cake.
Wait, why don't I put the pillow
here? Yeah. We already ordered some coffee from Alfred, so we're gonna go pick it up and head home. So tired. This happens every time one of us leaves. The dogs start panicking. Look at her.
It's okay, honey.
I'm gonna go run over to the billboard because it's my last time I can for Vlogmas.
Got it. What do we do here? Oh, my hands are like so full. Best and worst feelings. I like love when I'm going and doing something fun and exciting like this where you pack a bunch of stuff, but also I feel so frantic and like I'm forgetting something. Oh, whoa! Keep seeing people walk by.
We're okay, mamas. It's okay.
Okay, I'm back. Ew, there's like so much mud.
It's the first time it's rained in LA in months.
Oh.
Good?
Yeah.
You did it.
Guys, we got a vanilla latte. A vanilla latte with oat milk. Cheers. We got a large. Cheers. Hey, bitch. How you doing? Merry Christmas Eve.
and mine.
Your favorite travel location?
I would probably go with Greece since we've been there 3 times. But I will say people don't give Hawaii enough credit.
I love Hawaii.
Hawaii is incredible. I love Hawaii.
Are either of you guys dating anyone?
No, talking to someone.
Well, if you're talking to someone, then I'm definitely not talking to someone. Why don't you promote your podcast merch? I just found out about it today.
The podcast merch was a like one-time thing and it's done right now, but it went so well. I know we're gonna bring back more. So once it's like a continual thing, then I'll definitely be pushing it more.
Ooh, what YouTuber's life would you like to live?
Ooh,
That's a good one.
it's a great one. Low-key Miss Remy Ashton.
Miss Romeo?
What was that?
I hit my phone.
That scared me. I knew a car didn't hit me, but
Yeah.
it felt like a car hit me.
Favorite sister moment? Probably when we moved into the apartment together.
Yeah.
Like, both of us moving out of our parents' house was a big deal.
It was our first time. We had 0 furniture. I remember like my favorite moment was eating Special K cereal on the floor because we didn't have a table.
Oh my god, yes!
The very first morning that we woke up
And
there.
like IKEA shopping.
Yes,
and
IKEA shopping brings back so many memories.
nothing but Merry Christmas and Happy Birthday, Ashley.
Aw, thank you.
Favorite childhood foods? Pizza Hot Pocket and a cup of noodles, chicken, Gushers,
Oh, that's really hard.
fruit by the foot.
I'm gonna say cereal because I would have that even like for dessert.
Do you still like the 1975?
I love the 1975. I'm obsessed with them.
Ooh, when did you guys decide you wanted to live together? Did we ever talk about that?
We both wanted to go to the same university.
That's right.
So it kind of just made sense for us to live together. We never had like a discussion. We were just like, oh, if we're both going there, we'll both move out together.
If you could only listen to one song the rest of your life, what would it be?
That's so hard.
I feel like I can't. Oh, anything Hamilton. Just kidding. But yeah.
Probably some like Ben Howard song.
What?
That's a little more on the chill side.
What's something that you wish you could change about your childhood? I wish that we were able to live closer to our school because I feel like it made us not able to hang out with other people much.
Yeah, it was hard to be social when you lived so far away from everyone else.
Yeah.
There was a hair period in mine that I wish I could have changed.
Which one?
My like shaggy layer.
It's like, why did we try so hard? Why didn't you just have straight?
Why didn't I just do my natural? Mandy Moore did it, so I felt like I had to do it.
Ooh, favorite childhood memory with Leah?
Childhood memory? Probably some like DDR moment.
Or you watching me play Kingdom Hearts? Yeah, we always would make tents.
We would make like huge, like on rainy days like today, it was the one time our mom would let us make tents in the house, and we would do it like the whole room would become a huge tent, and that was always super fun. Or camping in the backyard.
Yeah. Oh my god, that was so fun. What's something you dislike about Alicia?
She will wash her laundry and then leave it there for a week.
Yeah.
Pretty regularly. Like every 2 weeks she'll do like a load of laundry and then it'll stay there, and I'll like tell myself, Ashley, don't touch it, Ashley, don't touch it, but then
Ooh, he viewed your story. Drama. Guys always want what they can't have, and then they push you away, and then they want you because then they're like, oh shoot, I messed up. You know what I mean?
That's a great.
Yes, I ain't wrong. Would you get another dog? Yes.
Low-key, yes, but
imagine 3 right now.
we're having a hard time. 2 is really hard, and there's 2 of us, so.
Someone said thank you so much for reading my story on unsolicited advice a few months ago. It was my ex-aunt one, Illy, so much.
Aww. That was a tough story. Thank you so much for sharing.
How did Aesthetic Ash come to life? I don't even.
She went through a lot, a long period of time trying to figure out what her vibe was, and then I think once I found it, I just like leaned into it.
But when did you find it?
I mean, not that long ago. I feel like these last 2 years, my channel changed dramatically.
No, but like you as a person, did you wake up and be like, I like this?
I think I've always liked it. I've just never known
That it was a vibe.
that it was. I was always drawn to it. I didn't know that it had to, like, it was in me, you know?
Yeah.
There you go.
What do you hate most about each other?
Sometimes I'll talk to Alicia and she won't even hear me.
No, I won't.
She won't even. She'll look right at me and not hear me.
When Ashley's just super passive and then I'm like, I'll just be mean back. Accurate?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, last question. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would you live?
By the water. Period.
I would love, yeah, like a Laguna Beach moment.
1000%.
Malibu moment.
Malibu.
Pacific Palisades moment.
Yes. Wow. One of those, please. That sounds great. I feel like that's like
The goal.
the goal. I feel like we each wanted to live in LA for a moment. And now that we have, I'm like, okay, now it doesn't matter where I go as long as I'm by the water. Because that's like end goal.
T, well, thank you so much for playing
Thanks for joining.
And my